I'm Julia. I'm the executive director and co-founder of WorldVuze, and it's an asynchronous communication tool that makes international connections really easy and flexible to integrate into many different types of curriculum, and it can be used within classrooms but also on your own time outside of the classroom. From doing this, it opens up a world of deep and engaging 21st century learning opportunities for K-12 teachers and students. Basically, for example, if a class had a unit about climate change, for example, and you can learn a lot about climate change from facts on news articles, or you can go to your textbook, or you can go to journal articles. But if you actually want to learn what real people or real students around the world are thinking and feeling about climate change, there's really nowhere out there to do that. So that's what we created. It's essentially a question and answer platform where students around the world can learn from each other. And so teachers can go on there, they can post a question on behalf of their classroom that a global community of students can answer. And now you actually can have students from, say, Nepal or Tanzania, Malaysia, United States, Canada, all over the world. Any student that's signed up for WorldVuze can answer this question, and then they can start to explore the different perspectives. So what we're finding is we have our pilot coming up. So we have 30 schools from 12 countries participating, which is really exciting. And so we're finding that they're going to be using it in very different and interesting ways. So some are going to be using it for class discussion, so pulling in that real world, local and global perspective of what's happening related to what they're working on right now. Or they can use it for research projects. So if a student may be investigating a very specific topic and they want to pull in primary sources that are really authentic and then connect that back to secondary sources. They can also use statistical analysis because we have graphing on there as well. So they could be doing some really interesting kind of real-world math applications. We're running our pilot from now until June, and we're rolling out in September 2014 for any teacher and their students around the world to use, and it's for free. So we're really excited to then have a growing community of teachers and students learning from each other.